Hello, it's me again. I decided today that I was going to show you one of my earliest blades. It took 3.5, nearly 4 hours to complete. It was made from an old lawnmower blade that I actually had to clean up, get all the rust, dirt, debris off of it, which is about a 20-minute job in and of itself. And then I had to work on the design, shape of the blade, cut out the handle scales, carve them to the right shape, and drill the holes for the rivets that I use to hold the whole thing together. It's a very simplistic blade, nothing fancy, just a single edge clip point, approximately 16.5 inches long, with a nice solid hardwood handle. Uh, the hardest part about this whole thing was actually cutting the steel itself, because as most people know, lawnmower blades are incredibly hard, and so cutting it took a while. I wasn't able, unfortunately, to do anything about the holes in the blade itself where it actually attaches to the lawnmower spindles, but that I think just adds character to the final blade. It's not as fancy as some would make out there. I have nothing against those other knife makers. Their skills are incredible. Their knives are absolutely works of art, beauty, unparalleled form and function put together beautifully. What I have here is just something simple, what I like to call a primitive bowie. It's sharp. It does have a gleam to it. I wouldn't hesitate for one instant to take this out into the woods with me. It's never failed me in any way, shape, or form. I doubt it's going to suddenly start doing so. This may not look like much, but I'm actually rather proud that I was able to do this with just the amount of tools and supplies I had on hand, and I will admit a lack of skill. This was the pinnacle of my creative abilities a couple of years ago.